Alright, so this post is pretty loose. Well, it's not as loose as it was because I already set 2 anchors in. I forgot to video before, but what I'm doing, I'm drilling a 1/2 inch hole here in each of the brackets, putting a toggle in, putting a washer on the screw because that little guy there just doesn't work, and tightening it down, and it should pretty much secure it. So also I went ahead and re-secured these so they're tight as well. But yeah. Inch hole drill, target, put it in, pull back. I do this with one hand. Break it. You see why that little plastic won't hold up, so that's what the washer's for. And then little buggy dugger. And then, no more floppiness. It's good.